Morning everyone, my name is Guntur Gunawan. Today I will present about the value proposition canvas of Lion. As we know that value proposition is the combination of products and services that create value for a particular customer segment. And success in the ever-changing airline industry depends critically on knowing and meeting the needs of the consumer. One of the Indonesian top low-cost airlines, Lion Air, is well known for being accessible and reasonably priced. Ryanair can enhance its standing as a top option for air travel by better matching its services to the requirements and goals of its target market. Ryanair uses the value proposition canvas, or we can say VPC, as a guide to make sure that its products and services align with the objectives and goals of its target market. Knowing the customer journey and areas of discomfort allows Ryanair is able to customize its goods and services to meet these needs and offer result-oriented. Before we discuss about the value proposition canvas, we have to know about the value proposition of Lion Air. There are three parts of the Lion Air value proposition. The first is performance, direct flight for long route, connecting flight with Lion Group, example Jakarta Manado Ternate, Jakarta Manado operated by Lion Air, and Manado Ternate operated by Wings Air, and plenty of timetable off-road. The second is customization. The payment of ticket is very easy. We can use ATM, we can use virtual account, we can use credit card. And for check-in, we can using book cabin at least 12 hours before flight, and we can do self check-in at airport. And there are free baggage for domestic flight, 20 kilo, international flight, 30 kilo, and with the cabin luggage 7 kilo. And we can pre-book meals with the variant foods and tastes. And the last one, there is the Invest Sky Sale at the aircraft. Last one is accessibility. When we want to order a ticket or make reservation, we can use website. Is very user friendly. And if we have the difficult, we can have at the website. There are have a virtual assistant. If you want to ask something, you can call center 24 hours, and line a schedule have on the platform travel like ticket.com and Traveloka. Value proposition canvas. Here's the value proposition canvas that divided into two segments. The first is value map are designed by company. The last one is the customer profiles, the results from the observe or interview. All of these are very connected. The first one is company profile. Jobs is describe what customers are trying to get done in their work and in their lives as expressed in their own words. Gains plus outcomes is describe customers want to achieve or the concrete benefits they are seeking. And pains plus frustration is describe the bad outcomes, risks, and obstacles related to customers' job. How about the value map? After we know all company profile, we can make value map with detail. Products and services is the value proposition that built around. Gain creatures is describe how your products and services create customer gains. And pain reliefs describes how your products and services alleviate customer pains. Here's the example for buyer persona. Before we build customer, or we can say CPV, we can build buyer persona first. This buyer persona is made by interview one of the customer at airport. What is buyer persona? Buyer persona serve as a foundation for crafting and compelling value proposition by understanding the target audience's demographics, goals and motivation, needs that can be tailored their messaging and offering to resonate with the needs and aspiration of their ideal customers. Buyer persona help business avoid making assumptions about their target market, ensuring that their products and services are aligned with the realities of their customers' lives. Here's the example for the value proposition canvas of Rizka Dewi, our persona. The first we can discuss about the customer profile. There are three parts for the customer profile. The first is customer jobs. Line Air is able to customize its services to meet the needs of these particular customer jobs by comprehending the fundamental factors that influence customers' decision to fly with the airlines. Furthermore, Lion Air may highlight its dependability and timeliness when it comes to business passengers attending significant events. How about the pain points? Pain points, customer discontent, and potential loss of loyalty for Lion Air are mostly caused by pain points. Lion Air is able to address this issue and improve the entire travel experience by putting measures in place to address the pain points of its target audience. Customer satisfaction can be greatly increased by addressing high prices through competitive pricing and incentives, streamlining the booking process, reducing travel delays, improving in-flight comfort, and strengthening communication. The last one from the customer profile is gain points. Lion Air can successfully deliver the gain points indicated in the VPC by putting these tactics into practice. Increased customer satisfaction, brand advocacy, and loyalty are the ultimate results of this customer-centric strategy that prioritizes price, convenience, timeliness, hassle-free travel, and peace of mind. Now we can talk about the value map, product and services. The main components of Line Air's value proposition are its products and services. Line Air can successfully convey the value of its offering to prospective customers by clearly describing and differentiating them. The secret is to identify the wants and problems of the target market and make sure that the goods and services meet these needs and offer real advantages. Game creators for Line Air, game creators are the main source of client loyalty and satisfaction. Line Air can better match its solution to meet the needs of its clients by having a throughout understanding of their desired result and advantages. Reasonably priced tickets, practically flat schedule, and punctual arrival are examples of tangible benefits. Peace of mind, hassle-free travel, and comfort are examples of intangible advantages. To draw in and keep consumers, Light and needs to make it obvious what benefits come with using its services. And last but not least, for the value proposition canvas is pain reliefs. In order to treat the pain points of its target audience, Light needs to use pain medication throughout comprehending the difficulties and annoyances their patrons encounter. Lion can create offerings that efficiently mitigate these issues. Increased client satisfaction, loyalty, and advocacy may result from this. Common complaints like delayed flight, difficult reservation procedures, and little in-flight facilities should be noted by Lion Air. Improving services and communication to address these issues can greatly increase customer satisfaction. And the summary for all this presentation is for Lion Air is success in the cutthroat airline sector depends on knowing what customer want and achieving those goals. Lion Air may build a compelling value proposition that aligns with what customers want from an airline experience by using the value proposition canvas or VPC framework, which is a strategic tool. Lion Air may achieve unprecedented success and become a market leader in low-cost carriers by constantly emphasizing the delivery of gain points and surprising customer expectation. This would also help the airline build stronger relationship with its loyal customer base. I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day.